Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We are the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs. Okay, today we're going to be looking at a Canon MF6540 printer. We're going to be showing you how to clean the scanner glass. So if you've ever noticed that whenever you send a print job to the printer from your computer and everything comes out just fine, but as soon as you're going to make a copy or a scan of that same document, then you start getting blemishes or any kind of defect on the page. That's going to be because there's something dirty on the scanner glass. So what you're going to want to do is lift up the top of the scanner, and then you can kind of look it over, see if you see any kind of defects in the glass. Sometimes you'll see some ink, some whiteout, some tape, something like that attached to the glass. And then once you kind of figure out if there's anything there, you're going to want to take your favorite glass cleaner. You're going to apply it to a lint-free cloth. If you don't have a glass cleaner, you could also use rubbing alcohol. So what you're going to want to do is, in this case, we were noticing the blemishes when we were using the top document scanner, which means it's going to be somewhere on this little piece of glass on the left side of the on the printer. This little piece of the glass is where all the documents get scanned from. This big piece of glass is only for when you're scanning from the flatbed. So whenever you actually put the document on the glass is when this piece gets used. Otherwise, whenever you feed it to the top of the printer, it's always going to be on this little piece of glass on the left side. So go ahead and clean them really well. You might as well do both while we're here.
Because if I took that one, I would have known what was wrong with it.
Make sure it's all dry. And then just kind of look over, make sure there's no obvious dirt or any kind of spots or anything on the glass. Once you're happy with the way the glass looks, run a couple test copies or test scans. Make sure everything still looks good or at least improved. If it's not perfect, not the way you want it, go ahead and clean it one more time. There might be a little bit more of something on there you just didn't see. And then after that, you should be good. You should be back up and printing.